Hello everyone, thanks for coming by again for another mukbang video. Today I was actually able to get sushi. Thank you so much to that special someone. Oh, I got a lot of sushi today. So right here I have a tuna and salmon roll. It smells delicious, especially with the wasabi. And they gave me 2 sets of chopsticks, probably thinking I was going to share. So there's one for me and one for myself. Okay. Some napkins. And lots of soy sauce, which I forgot to go get a bowl to put it in, so now I'm gonna have to put it in the lid of the carryout box. So that is the first box I have, and then I have another one. Just throw the bag on the floor, whatever. I'll clean it up later. So now we have the, it's called the Tuna Mania. That asshole said there was no cucumbers. Well, guess we're gonna have to deal with it. Alright. I really hate cucumbers. But I love pickles. They don't taste the same. And you know what? I don't care what anybody says. They don't taste the same. I know they're pretty much the same thing. But you can't fight me on it. And I got some sparkling water to drink with this. Because I'm eating a lot, so why add on more calories? Delicious. So let's get down to business here with this sushi because I am so hungry. I have not eaten all day again. And gotta open up these soy sauce packets. I have my own soy sauce too, but they just gave this to me in the package, of course. Why wouldn't they? Because I'm ordering a bunch of sushi. Yum, yum. So good. I feel like it's been forever since I'm back, since I made my last one. It's only been a week. But not much has changed since then. Still depressed, but you know what? I'm trying to turn around because I am in one of those like self-sabotaging like things right now where it's like I'm in this little funk where it's just like I don't take my meds, I don't go to therapy, I ignore all my appointments. Like, yes, I do eat with chopsticks. And I put a little bit of oh shit, I just dropped the wasabi. I put a little bit of wasabi on the top, like a little bit, because I really don't want to cry on camera. I did before though, but that's besides the point. We'll talk about that in a minute. Piece of sushi. This is a tuna piece. And here we go. So good. American Diva today. I'm rocking Diva today. I don't even main her. I even have the little booty shorts too. I don't have the top, which I did want the top, but I was like, I'm not really like a Diva main. I'm more into Mercy and Hammond and Widow. But where was I going with the other story? Oh yeah, I'm in like a self-sabotaging mood. Well, not really a mood. It's kind of like a stage. I don't know. It hits my soul. So if you are in Michigan, I'll go back to that other topic. Wow, I keep like jumping topic to topic today. I kind of did that last time though too. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Anyway. Where was I going with this? Oh my god. I totally forgot what I was going to talk about. Whatever. Okay. Well, I'll go back. Oh, the diva thing. The diva thing, I'm pretty sure. Cool on the people who play her. I used to be all for her, but now I'm like, eh. That's a lot of wasabi I'm putting on. I keep looking down, I feel bad. But it's like down here, my chair isn't high enough. I don't know if that even matters. Like, that really wouldn't. Oh, sushi's so good. Oh, yeah. That's where I was going. If you live in Michigan, on Mound Road in Warren, 12 and Mound, there's this place called Sushi Bon. That's where all this sushi is from, and it's amazing. I got a big piece. Oh, whoa. Whoops. I was like a huge chunk that like slid down my throat. That's a little bizarre. It's delicious. I would suggest going here. Unless you go to Fuji Buffet if you're in Michigan as well. That's a good place to go to. Trip! Don't trip on me. One time I'll have to do this live. Oh man, my mess. Sorry about my mess. It's all Pikachus. There's nothing wrong with that. So I'm hoping to redecorate this place soon so I can do a room tour. Oh yeah, sorry I didn't get to upload my last stream. I streamed from my Xbox because I don't have a capture card and a lot of people wanted to play Overwatch that night, so I was like, okay, I'll play that because, you know, I really like playing Hammond now. He's very cute, you know, finally something new with Overwatch. It's not that boring anymore. And I enjoy playing him. It just sucks I don't have a damn capture card. I used to have one because a friend let me borrow it and they wanted it back. Now I'm without a capture card. So I turned down the music a little bit in this video to try and hope it doesn't overpower or anything. I just didn't want like silence because like it'd be really weird, you know? Just silent awkwardness. I'm so ready for this. Like, I was born ready for this sushi. Oh my god. Really good. I put a little too much wasabi on that. My eyes are probably like red now. Very good. This is one of those where it's just like, you gotta savor it. So good. So I'm trying to get better. I started taking my meds again on time. So I'm trying to get better. I still have to call for a blood test because of my medication. It requires to be like monitored, just in case if I'm getting too much or if I'm getting not enough or whatever. I still have to call for that. Still have to go back to my psychiatrist. Still have to go to my therapist. One thing at a time. At least I did my meds today. I dedicate it to all you people out there who are doing the same thing. Trying your best. Doing everything day by day. I believe in you. I know you can do it. I'm trying. I know you can try too. Oh God. Like pure wasabi on my tongue without the sushi. Ouchie. Ah! There we go. I think I'm holding chopsticks the right way. I don't know. I still get the food in my mouth, so if I'm not holding it the right way, then I'm sorry. I guess I should have brought a dessert too. I feel like I'm almost done with the sushi already. I just ate 12 pieces of sushi. 6 come in a roll, right? I'm pretty sure it does. Box 1's gone. I feel like I ate that way too fast. Alright. Let's get on the box 2. My body is ready. It's way better than the Taco Bell. I definitely like that. Next, I kind of want to do some KFC is what I'm thinking next. I would love some suggestions on what you would want to see. Watch me eat, I guess. So you can always suggest me places to go. Especially if you live in the good old Mitten State. You can let me know what you like. And I'll go try it. Nigiri, which is actually my favorite sushi is nigiri. Oh, that's so good. so good. I love it. I could probably like live on sushi. I swear I could eat it every day. This and mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese a lot. Mmm. Mmm. We're almost all gone. No! Okay. Whew. I don't think this is gonna fill me up. Well, to be honest, whatever. I'm fat. Deal with it. I like to eat. Food has always been there for me. Whenever I was scared or sad or mad, frustrated, food never let me down. We're best friends. I'm just gonna eat the rest of this, finish this tuna roll now. Ah! Something fell. I don't know where it went. That's so good. I wish you guys could taste this. I'll show some kind of like taste vision. You can taste it since I'm eating it. Mmm. Get some water. This is not bad. It's actually pretty good. I normally get Ice Mountain sparkling water, but I ran out and I was passing the gas station, so might as well just pick up one of these for now. Ooh, that could have been really bad. Let's go on with the spicy tuna roll with the cucumbers. Ah! I hate them. They taste so gross. I don't know what it is about it. I just, every time I taste it, I want to throw up. It's a little throw up. Alright. So not bad. I hate the cucumber taste, but let's see if I can just pick it out. Yes, I'm that petty. I will be picking out the cucumbers because this is disgusting. I know it's like not a good thing to do that, to pick apart sushi that you order, but I did say no cucumber. Well, I asked if there were any and he said no, you're good. Okay. And what do I get? Cucumber. You know what? And that's fine. You know what? And that's okay, because I can just pick it out. I just upset because now they wasted cucumber that they could have gave to somebody else, you know? It's a little hard to pick it out, probably because you're not supposed to do it, but it's not meant to be picked out. I feel like the last mukbang was better than this one, but I don't know. I'm too busy picking this stuff out. It keeps falling out. My chopstick. I think there's some left in there, yeah. Oh god, I'm showing it on video. Oh my god. Here we go. Mmm. That's really good. Even better without the without the cucumbers. So much better without it. I just don't like them a lot. I don't know what it is. I don't like the smell of them. And I don't like, even though cucumber melon was my shit back in the day. That smell. But I think every kid was into that. Oh shit, no, I want that piece. Mmm. So very good. I feel like this one's gonna be a little bit shorter. Than last time's. I did a lot more talking last time. But I will be, I'm still actually looking for donation, or not donation, sorry. Suggestions, that's what I meant to say. For what to play next on Twitch. And then suggestions on where to eat next is good too. I'm good with that. I just love suggestions. Another tuna roll. Let's do this, guys. Yummy. I do play a lot of Pokemon Go, so if anybody wants to add me, that would be wonderful. I'm always down to have new friends to play with, and if you are in the, like I said, good old Mitten state, you can definitely come join me and Pokemon with me. This is way too good. This is too good to be true. I'm trying to put on. The wasabi just does not want to stay on the sushi. It either wants to fall off the sushi or stick to my chopstick. I wonder if what they would think of me if they watched me eat all of this. Because I feel like when I go to like the buffets and stuff, I get judged for how much I grab. I probably do. Cheers to sushi. Also, if anyone's got any leads on them damn Pikachu pops, let me know. That like doesn't want to sell it for $50 frickin'. I'm willing to pay someone back what they paid for it. I hate scalpers. So if that's what you do for a living, then go get a real job. Like, seriously. So dumb. Ruin it for the others that can't get it. I have so many friends that were trying to get it and couldn't because like Target only had like 4 of them, and they were all bought out by those kind of people. Oh no, we're on our last piece. Wah. The sushi dream has ended. So, we have finished the sushi. Oh, there's the cucumber. Because like I said, I'm not into cucumber. So, I'm kind of changing my schedule up for streaming. And since I'm doing these videos now, I'm going to change my schedule to Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday that I will stream. I think it just works out a lot easier. No life and whatnot. But thank you for watching this video. I appreciate the support of you coming, stopping by, watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, whatever. I appreciate you. Thank you. And all of you out there, take care of yourselves. Self-care is a must, and you have to love yourself to love anybody else in this world. Thank you. Bye.